Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much, returning subscribers, new subscribers. Welcome. I really appreciate you. Okay, today's topic is a must watch actually for beginners or people that want to venture into skincare business, like production. Skincare business is in different forms. There are people that are not ready to produce. There are people that prefer to buy and resell. There are some private labeling, while there are some they actually just go for products that are branded, like popular products, and then get to sell them. But if you want to be a formulator, so basically this video is more like if you want to be a formulator, right? Okay, I always advise go for professional courses. At least try your hands on professional formulations, like trainings, of course. And mind you, which I know a lot of people know, is the fact that there are so many copy and paste kind of recipes that are going around, and no wonder when a student let me say a potential student or someone that wants to learn comes to me, the first thing they ask me is, let me see your course outline, because they know the popular ones that are speculating, that are going around, that are not the right formulations to start with. Yes, so this video basically is just to tell you that in case as a beginner, formulator, as a learner, you find yourself in a class, where you're about to learn how to formulate. Every professional formulator will introduce their beginners into, at least depending on the branch or depending on the area the beginner wants to specialize on, you understand. But if it's skincare areas, it's almost certain that you'll be introduced to at least 4 most important branches, would I say, or categories of skincare products production. I hope I'm communicating here. Okay, one of them, in no particular order, one of them is the emollients. Yes, anybody that has been in my class, we know that one of the first things I introduce you to is the emollients. And what is this emollients? Mostly the cream base. Yes, these are the bases that we use to make creams, we used to make lotions. Now even butters are actually emollients. Yes, pomade are also emollients. Even oils fall in the category of emollients. And basically most of the time emollients serve as your base. You have ingredients at random. How do they work? You cannot pick up let's say example, you cannot pick up a good ingredient like alpha arbutin and just apply it on your skin like that. No, you definitely need a base to work with. Either putting it in cream or lotion, hair, or in gel form. That is an emollient, and your emollient most cases stand out as your base. Number 2, as I said in no particular order, is your hydrosol. So beginner formulator, if you find yourself in a class and you're not beginning to be introduced to emollients, hydrosol, ask that your instructor. Hello. All right, so hydrosol is the next one, and hydrosols, as it is called, hydrosol is water. Yes, basically water in the water form, like maybe mostly distilled water form, or water in the form of maybe extracts. Yes, or extract. What I mean by extract, in the form of, let's say, rose water. Yes, in the form of things like herbal water. For those that are into the making of African black soap, you understand me very well. Hydrosols are very important. In fact, 70% of our emollients is actually hydrosol. Yes, what I mean hydrosol is actually water. Yes, so hydrosol is an important factor in skincare products. Another one is the humectant. Okay, there's usually a confusion. Sometimes I get that questions in between the difference between hydrosol and humectant. Okay, hydrosol is hydrating, which I told you mostly is water based, yes, and humectant mostly helps you trap or holds moisture. Let me repeat myself again. Humectant helps you retain moisture, and examples of humectants is the vegetable glycerin, the most popular vegetable glycerin, or the propylene glycol or the propenda. All those are good humectants that can help you retain moisture to the skin. And then last but not least in my list is the surfactant. Of course, when you're into skincare products, one of the most popular products you want to go for is mostly your creams and then your soaps. Now anything soapy, foamy, they all fall under the category of surfactants. Exactly, we have a lot of surfactant. Even our most popular African black soap is actually a surfactant. In fact, that's one of my best surfactants. Why? Because it is super natural. Like, I trust my African black soap morning, afternoon, night. African black soap, as long as it's formulated properly, it could be suitable for a dry skin type, it could be suitable for a normal skin type, it could be suitable for even a sensitive skin. Yes, if formulated properly. You understand? So surfactants could also be our handmade our handmade bar soaps. Yes, yeah, they could even both for bathing and for anything foamy. Meanwhile, we have other surfactants like cocoa glucoside. Like, those ones now, they are beginning to fall into the category of, should I call them, much more refined surfactants, if you know what I mean by much more refined surfactant, because some of these things have ions in them. They have ions. I mean by they have ions, they have charges. I mean they have electrolytes and neutrons, electrolytes, so they kind of have charge, negative and positive. So you understand? So working with those kind of surfactants, you need a very good professional training. Yes, because some surfactants are ionic, while some are anionic. I'm sorry, forgive me for the way I'm pronouncing. While some of them are non-anionic, some of them are amphoteric. I beg, no vex, yeah? Just take it the way I'm giving it to you. But then there are so many surfactants in the market, the ones that are kind of like, say, chemical based. But mind you, they are still friendly on the skin. They are still like cocoa glucoside. Is a very beautiful surfactant that is friendly. You could be used in your shampoos, it could be used in your body washes, it could be used in your face washes. Yes, there's also the colamide betaine also. I'm sorry, I'll put everything on the screen because some of these names they are they are somehow long and somehow difficult to pronounce. I beg, forgive me if I don't pronounce it, but I'll make sure I put everything on what I just mentioned on the screen. Sorry. Okay, so these surfactants are surfactants that you need proper knowledge of them before you play around with them, so that some of them have just a negative charge while some of them have both negative and positive. But then having one charge does not mean that if they find themselves in an environment where the other charge can activate itself, it will surely activate itself, and you know where it's going to suffer. It's your skin, or if you're using it for your hair, it's definitely your scalp. So this is the beginner formulator, the four most important will I say pillar or will I say category of formulation should be your emollient, your hydrosol, your humectant, your surfactant, depending on the part of skincare you decide to venture into. If you want to make emollients, that's if you want to make creams and lotions, definitely you're going to work with a lot of emollient itself, hydrosol and humectant. If you're working with if you're venturing into soap making, into surfactant in general, where you want to make body washes, you want to make face washes, you want to make natural soaps, handmade soaps, you will be faced with more of you could get in contact with emollients. Yes, in soap making, trust me when I tell you can get in contact with emollients, because we use a lot of oils in soap making. And then we now talk about your surfactant themselves. Sure you understand what activates. Am I talking too much? All right, thank you so much for watching my video. Hope to see you in another video. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Meanwhile, please, let's get to 5K, because I promise a giveaway, 5K giveaway loading. Straight up. All right, guys, thank you so much, and see you in another video.
It's Strong Case the Jam Maker.